Hello everyone, this is Ambarish and my team ID is PNT2022TMID02676 and our project is about developing an inventory management system for retailers, and the domain that we've chosen is cloud app development. So this is our project. We deployed it here in the web, and this is the sign up page, the home page basically. So these are some basic credentials that you have to fill in order to register yourself as a retailer or a user. And there's also a validation check to see whether you're entering a valid name or email. So let's just say I give an invalid name and say submit. I'll get this notification that name should have 4 to 20 characters. Similarly, we'll have this for email and password also. And here we've added a feature called role. Like if you're a retailer, say you're a retailer and you chose retailer role, you have to give your inventory name because you're creating a new inventory when you register yourself. And if you're a user, just select user and you have to give your inventory ID, like the inventory, the existing inventory in which you work in. So basically this is the sign up page, and now we'll show you the sign in page. So this is our sign in page, and here we're going to demonstrate an existing inventory with a existing email and password. So let me just type in that, and now I'm clicking on submit and I'll get a message called please wait for response, and it will redirect me to the dashboard. So this is the dashboard, and initially you won't have these warehouses. These are the warehouses that we have created. Initially it will be blank, and if you if you want to add a warehouse, there is a option called add warehouses. So you click on that, and so here I will create a new warehouse. So I've given the description, location, and my warehouse name, and now I'm clicking on submit. And now I'll go back and I'll refresh the page because it won't show up immediately. Yeah. So now as you can see, we have our warehouse 5 located in Chennai that stores bags. And we have some options below that, like product name, count, threshold count, edit quantity, and edit options, and response. Now we'll just say add new product. And now it will ask you to give your product name, count, and threshold count. So let me just say Livia bags, and I'll just give the count as 10. And basically the threshold count is the minimum amount of products that you can have in the warehouse. Like you can have uh, more than this count, more than 11 bags or more than 11 bags, but if it goes below this count, then you will get an email notification, which I will explain later. So I've given the threshold count as 11, and let me just say submit. And yeah, we have added our product successfully. So let's just go back and click on refresh again. So now we have Livia bags, and the count is 10 and the threshold count is 11, which means I only have 10 bags in my warehouse where I should be, whereas I should be having 11 or more bags in my warehouse, which means the count is less. So let's just go to edit quantity and type in 1. And let's just remove 1 bag from my warehouse. I'll just click on remove, and I'm waiting for the response right now. Yeah, so product details edited successfully. So since I've removed 1 bag, it shows the count as 9. And now I'll be getting an email notification that yeah, so you can see inventory management notification. This is the mail. So hello, this is to notify that a product count has decreased below the threshold limit, which means I only have 9 bags and it is below 11. So this is the current count and this is my threshold count. So you will be getting an alert notification like this. So let's just go back, and just to add the count, I'll just add my current count by 10, and I'll click on add, and I'll wait for response. And the details have been edited successfully. So now I have 19 bags, which is above the threshold count. And let's just refresh this page. And I have no alert notification because I have more than what is asked for in my warehouse. So I will not be getting any alert notification. So that is basically the details that we have given, the features that we have added. So now let's just go to view profile. There is a option called view profile. And in this profile, it will show your ID, your name, your email, and whether you're a retailer or a user. And if you are a user, it will show your inventory ID, and it will also show your inventory name. So this is basically a profile to show to show your identification. And you can edit your profile by clicking on edit profile, and you can change your name, email ID, and you can change your password in case you forget it, and you can change your inventory name also. And once you click on update, the details will be updated successfully. And since I have not made any changes, it shows that no changes found. So let's go back and go back again. So the account that we've logged into is basically the role of a retailer, and in the retailer's dashboard, you will get these add new products and add warehouse options. But if you are a user and if a user has logged in, you won't get these two features. All he can do is he can edit the quantity of the count by adding or removing the product count, and he'll get the response. And he can also edit his profile by viewing profile.